Hey guys, so I just got back from the supermarket and I did a nice little grocery, an intense little grocery trip in the supermarket. It's by no means at all healthy. There's a few healthy things, but it's not like a healthy haul at all. So yeah, I just decided to splurge a little bit and get unhealthy food for the kids. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So starting here, we got these crispy chicken strips from Perdue. This is the only one I like to get that's like frozen. Otherwise, they taste like crap. I got her these Danimal yogurts. She loves these. I got her 3 packs. And then we got, don't mind that, that's from earlier. And then I got them a pound cake, some donuts, some corn mix. I got myself some gum because I'm always nauseous. I got this K-Cup Swiss Miss milk chocolate for the Keurig, some spaghetti, some strawberries, some bananas, some regular white bread, some wheat bread because the baby likes this one, some tomato sauce. We got some sausages, some ribs, some bacon, eggs, some Red Bull for the hubby because he drinks Red Bull every morning, some cut up peppers, some honey apples, some honey crisp apples I believe they're called, some of these, the baby loves these. There's only baby food that she eats, and then some shredded lettuce. We're having tacos tonight and then I'm gonna have some salad because I'm going, doing my little diet thing. I don't need much food, so some of this with those chicken tenders and I'm good. So more of the baby food, some ice cream because the baby loves ice cream, some milk for the baby. She drinks 1% or 2% milk. I do not give my kids whole milk because my middle daughter has asthma, so they don't get whole milk. Anybody in the family. And then I got some breadcrumbs, some Aunt Jemima syrup, some juice. I always get the 100% juicy juice. And then I got the little juice packets for the baby. Some more juice. I got these White Castle sliders. These are so good. So we got those. Some taco sauce for taco night tonight. Some more baby food. And some frozen string cheese for like little snacks. What else? Some butter. We got some carnation milk here. Some waffles for those mornings that I don't want to do anything. And then some pancake mix for the mornings I do want to do something. And then my seasonings. So I got some sazon right here. Some cubito en polvo, and that's just chicken flavored bouillon powdered. It says the powdered one. And that's it for food. So yeah, so this is everything I got in my haul. And yeah, mommy's gonna make some amaretto sours tonight. So yeah, this is what we got. Now, time to clean the fridge and put everything away. Well, this is our situation. It needs to be cleaned ASAP. Alright guys, so here is the fridge, nice and organized. This meat right here was for that night. I didn't want to freeze it, so I just left it in the fridge. In the refrigerator part, I have my section for the baby snacks. And then the freezer is nice and jam-packed. And yeah, I love when my fridge is nice and organized. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.